Hi guys, welcome to IGX Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to automatically run apps as an administrator on Windows 11. There are two ways to do this. The first way is very simple, and it is for the desktop apps. First, right-click on any application you see on the desktop, and then select Show More Options. Now click on Properties. Now click on the Compatibility tab. Under the Compatibility tab, you will see Run this program as administrator. Check that box. That's it. Now each time you open this app, it opens as an administrator. The second way is for the apps that are not present on the desktop. First, tap on the Windows icon and type the app name. Now right-click on the app and click on Open File Location. Now just follow the same steps as mentioned earlier. Right-click on the app and click on Show More Options. Now click on Properties and click on Compatibility. Now check the Run as Administrator box and click on OK. That's it. Now just copy the app and paste it on the desktop. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next.